Hello everyone, today I want to talk a little bit about my eating habits. When I was a child, I used to eat some junk food, but not too much. Sometimes I had chips, burger or sweets, but it was not something I ate every day. On the other hand, I remember eating many healthy foods when I was younger, especially fruits like apples, bananas, and oranges, and also homemade soups that my family used to prepare. Nowadays, I try to keep a healthy lifestyle. For breakfast, I usually eat eggs, bread, and a piece for fruit, and sometimes I drink a natural juice. Most of the time, I cook my own meals because I enjoy preparing food at home. Of course, sometimes I go out to eat, but I really prefer eating at home. I am used to eating vegetables every day and I actually like them. I am also getting used to drinking more water instead of soda, which is something very important for my health. I am interested in trying new healthy recipes and I think cooking can be fun. What I like about eating fruits and vegetables is that they are fresh, delicious, and give my energy. In the future, I would like to try a vegetarian or vegan diet at least for a short time just to see how it feels. I also want to learn to cook international food because it would be interesting to taste different cultures and flavors. That's all about my eating habits. Thank you for listening.